Hi everyone, it's Gail from A Long Day's Journal, and I'm here today to show you a junk journal that I created following an inspiration from Barbara from 49 Dragonflies and her friend Maud, who periodically put out prompt lists, and these lists give you ideas of pages to make and inclusions and embellishments to do in your junk journals. So I've been working for months and months and months with both a summer prompt list and a fall prompt list, and I've just finished this junk journal in time, barely, for winter to begin. And I think very kind of appropriately for the season and the year we've gone through. I also am using a book cover that I created this journal from, the title of which translates as parentless. And I kind of feel like we've all been adrift in this year of 2020 and seeking a home. And what I like thematically, if I really want to stretch the idea about this junk journal, is that it's chock full of things that you can look at and see if you can. I've included the prompt list and see if you can kind of do a little treasure hunt from the prompt list to see which of those items I have actually included in my journal and which of those things, either gifts from friends or vintage items, are no longer parentless but have found a home in my journal. And I hope you will enjoy this, and if you really enjoy it a lot and want to get in touch with me through YouTube or Instagram or on Facebook, maybe you can find this journal a home. And once again, thanks to everybody who has come before me and given me the inspiration, both in terms of vintage digitals and purchases I've made online, and inspirations and how-tos and tutorials for creating my little orphaned, parentless, hopefully soon to find a home junk journal. And I hope that 2021 is a better year for everyone. And what can I say? Who's the what's-this out of this junk journal. It's just packed full of stuff. And I hope you love looking at this video as much as I love making it. Bye for now.